Hello and welcome to this course on affiliate recruiting. In this course, we're going to cover how to skyrocket your traffic and sales by recruiting affiliates. This course is divided into 3 modules. Module 1 covers creating a JV or affiliate page. Module 2 covers posting on popular JV hubs and launch calendars. And Module 3 covers one-on-one recruiting. By the time this course is over, you'll know how to effectively rally an army of affiliates to send traffic to your offers. So without further ado, let's dive into the first module.